Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to receive Bitcoin using your PayPal account in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your phone or go to paypal.com and sign in. Step 2. Tap or click Crypto in the main menu. Step 3. Select Bitcoin BTC from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Tap Receive. If this is your first time, PayPal may prompt you to verify your identity. Step 5. You'll now see your Bitcoin wallet address and a QR code. Step 6. Copy your wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Step 7. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Step 8. Once complete, the Bitcoin will appear in your PayPal crypto balance. Only receive Bitcoin from trusted sources. Remember, PayPal wallets are currently custodial, which means you can't export private keys. That's how to receive Bitcoin with PayPal in 2025. Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick crypto tutorials.